This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Cool. A welcoming landscaped front yard and covered front porch make a perfect beginning to visiting this well-cared-for brick ranch. Conveniently located close to Old Donation School, Haygood Shopping Center and Town Center. Bright, open floor plan with tasteful updates to kitchen, bath, fixtures and fans. Enjoy the comfort of a spacious living room, large dining area and open bright kitchen. Sunroom and conditioned garage offer great flex space for home gym or game room. You will also notice beautiful LVP floors, abundant storage, and fenced backyard. Weekends can be enjoyed around the paver patio and fire pit. Shed to convey as is June 19, 2024. For more information, review the